Once upon a time, in a colorful village, lived a curious girl named Prottasha. She had a magical gift. She could talk to animals. Her best friend was a cute bird named Chirpy. One sunny morning, Prottasha and Chirpy set off on an adventure. They heard about a mysterious forest where glowing butterflies lived. Determined to find them, they packed some snacks and started their journey. As they returned home, Prottasha realized that the real treasure was the friendship and kindness they encountered. The village children gathered around to hear their tale, inspired by the adventures of Prottasha and her cute bird, Chirpy. And so, their enchanting adventures became a beloved story, reminding everyone that magic can be found in the simplest of moments. Finally, they reached a meadow filled with colorful butterflies that glowed like stars. Prottasha and Chirpy watched in awe, capturing the magical moment in their hearts. Deeper in the forest, they stumbled upon a river guarded by a kind frog. Chirpy sang a beautiful song, making the frog dance. Touched by their friendship, the frog offered to help them cross the river safely.